Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 11 Wickails Court in Rivervale. If you've been looking for a home that's centrally located for public transport to Perth, the airport and the universities, then this is a home for you. It's neat, it's bright and it's easy to maintain as well. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 11 Wickails Court in Rivervale. As you can see, it's neat and bright. And did I mention it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home as well. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.